Hello everyone. I want to teach you how to read this micrometer screw gauge. Please, I am begging you to watch the first video on this micrometer screw gauge because I explained a lot more, okay? Before calculating any question from that, okay? Now, this is the second question I will calculate on this micro screw gauge. Remember from the previous video, I told you that micro screw gauge has two scales. One of them is sleeve scale and the second one is thimble scale, okay? So the sleeve scale is collected from here, from down, from here. That is the fixed one, collected from here. As you can see, there's a calibration there. That is the sleeve scale or fixed scale. Then the round one here is called rotating one, rotating scale or thimble, okay? That is that, the round one. So this is a micrometer screw gauge. Then I want to teach you how to read it. The question on board here is a rough sketch of this, okay? It's a rough sketch of this micrometer screw gauge. The question says we should calculate the readings of this micrometer screw gauge. As you can see, we put breaking point here, meaning that this micrometer screw gauge did not start from the beginning. As you can see, started from 0.5. That is why we did this, to tell you that it did not start from the beginning, okay? So now, it started from 1.5. Then this line now is 1.5. Here is the sleeve scale, that is the fixed scale. While the rotating scale is here, okay? The rotating scale, I told you to watch the first video. The rotating scale is here. Now, let us take the reading of the sleeve scale first before the rotating scale, which is thimble. Now, this is 1.5. This line here will be 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.5. I read again, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, and 4.5, okay? So the reading from the sleeve is equals to 4.5 millimeter. It is calibrated in millimeter. Now let's take the reading from the rotating one. The reading from the rotating one, we now check the line that coincides with this straight line from the main scale, from the sleeve, okay? We now check any of these lines, any of this calibration that will coincide with it, that will match it directly as if they are the same line drawn together. So coming to that, we now see that this one match it together, it coincides with it. So that is the place we will take our reading from this rotating scale. Then the line here is 10. Next one is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that line falls on 11, okay? So the reading from thimble is equals to 11, which we will not write this 11 direct, okay? We will now divide it by 100. Always divide the readings from thimble by 100 before you can now add it to the main scale, which is sleeve. So dividing 11 by 100, we now have 0.11. 0.11. Now the actual reading, let's use A to represent actual reading. The actual reading of this scale, of this micrometer screw gauge will now be 4.5 plus 0.11 equals to. If I add both of them, I will now have 4.61 millimeter. That is the actual reading of this equipment on board. And that is how to read it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment the video. Subscribe or follow. Thank you so much.